Hello guys, welcome back to Warcraft.
Nice.
This is a mini photo album for putting small pictures. Check it out. I'm sure that you will need this. First of all, find yourself some paper card. This is the size for my photo. Here, you should keep it open so that you can change photos later. After making the album, you will need some decoration with stickers. I haven't printed out the pictures yet, but let's check how it looks like. Just put it in front of my mobile screen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos to your friends. We will see you next time. Bye!